Here's an example of some student help issues that kind of come up during the day. Here's a student who is part of one of my classes, Bridget Bergen. And if I look back here in my email, I have a folder on every student. She's an American Lit. So she's asking me a question about an activity 3.2, part 3, when it says about using the video cam or audio file to record your reading. And she said, does it just mean the Pledge of Allegiance? Well, I know it does because I wrote the assignment. I've been reviewing them as the week goes on. And she doesn't know how to use a voicemail message to record it. So I had a delay of about 5 minutes in there, but between the time she asked for help and the time I answered her, but it doesn't always bring a new window up, so I have to keep track of this little icon over here. So I said she was distracted. It does mean the Pledge of Allegiance. I'll show you the voice tool. Are you there? So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to wait for her to show back up, and then I'm going to show you how we screencast, and I show her what she needs to know. So Bridget's back, and I'm going to talk to her a little bit about her issue that she's having. Okay, so I'm sending her a screen request, and she's going to share this collaboration window with me as soon as she says yes. I'm just waiting for her to respond. And she's now here. So I'm not going to make her get a microphone on because there's really no need for that. So I'm just going to move this over here. And first I want to make sure she sees what I see right now, which is the whiteboard. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen with her, which will come up in a little box. And I'm going to expand that. And we're going to look at the class. Okay, get this window back up. Okay, so I'm going to take her, we're going to go here to the tools section. And then the message tool is down here. I'm going to move that over a little bit. The classroom, it's here. I've used it. Where did it go? It's not there. All right, this is a harder problem to solve than I thought. The feature is no longer in Blackboard, so I think I'm going to have to use the mashup feature in the response box, and I did have somebody use that first semester, so I'm not quite sure why that happened. So and what we're going to do is we're going to go in the activities 3.2. We have to get in an activity. And all right, so now I have to show the student how to use the voice authorizing tool. and that's what it's called now. My pledge. Oh. And I'm going to hit submit. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic. You get the idea. Sorry, I'm making a recording to get somebody to. Yep. Oh, yeah, go ahead. No, you're good. You're good. Okay, so. And then when she's done, she's going to hit submit. I know that this girl is also babysitting at the same time, so nothing we can do about it. She is a cyber student. She can't hear me, by the way, so she can just read my text, but I know that that's the distraction for her. Or it might take a while to come up. This one right here. Okay. Hit the red dot to start. Blah 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 blah. It will be lost. Okay, so we're wrapping up the call here, and you can see this little episode took us more than 10 minutes to resolve because I put you on pause a couple times. So just to give you an idea of what kind of help we give distance that kind of walks through technical problems and makes us more that we're here. Just, Bridget does babysit, and she doesn't have a microphone, like a headset that she can use. She does have a microphone or laptop, but it's hard to communicate because of the kids in the back and things like that. So her and I have established it's better off just to type back and forth than trying to talk over the noise and things like that, that she can see specifically what I'm saying and I can see specifically what she is saying. So, different kids have different things going on, but this is how we do it for her. I hope that gives you a good example of these kind of interactive steps that we take to help kids solve problems. Thanks.